What's up, guys? It's Anthony. Back with another video, and this is actually going to be a unboxing video, but also something that I really think is going to help out a lot of creators, especially a lot of creators out there who are on a budget, whether it be creating videos or photography or even live streaming, which is like the main thing why I got this. Yeah, so basically, y'all can see a big ass box on my tiny ass desk. I do have my other camera just so you guys can see a different POV. So let's get to the unboxing and let's get into this shit, all right? Basically, I converted my my hand cam into a unboxing cam. So like I said, really big box on my tiny ass desk. Got my good old trusty knife. All right, let's get into this shit. So as most of you guys know, there's such a high demand for camera gear just due to COVID-19. But also in one of my last videos where I did do a review of a cam link alternative, thanks to some very dope Chinese companies who are trying to provide quality products for a product that is in need as of now. So I did see these products on Amazon from a very amazing company called Newer. If you guys can see that. So if you're familiar with Newer, like hopefully I'm pronouncing it right too. They really provide really nice quality products, especially for anyone trying to create content, especially on a budget too. I've used like their mic arms in the past. I've even used Studio Light, which I'm actually using right now. If you guys look at my setup, for all my videos and streams, I make sure I have this Studio Light on all the time. But lighting is key, guys. If you're really trying to bump up the quality of your videos, and maybe you might not have the best camera, really upping the lighting can do so much for your videos. Okay, so I actually got 3 things from Newer, which can be the main thing in this this unboxing video. And this thing is actually for my bathroom, so y'all don't need to see that. All right, put this away. So we got two of the same products right here. This is gonna be the main thing, which I want to show off the most. So right here on the packaging, just says Newer tabletop light stand, I believe. So I got 2 of these, and this is actually the main lighting source, which I want to add to my setup, which you guys will see very shortly. So let's actually open this up right here. There's some pull tabs on the side. Okay, cool, awesome. All right, yeah, that's like all the components inside, and this is going to be the main product. So basically, I'm pretty sure this is a new product from Newer, but basically we have a desk clamp with a rod on top, and right here you can mount a webcam or a camera. I don't exactly remember the name of the thread, but if you know what I'm talking about, we can screw a camera or any type of mount or even lights to this, or have it clamped onto your desk. It's very similar, but also half the price of an Elgato multi-mount. I got this literally the last time I saw it on stock on Amazon because I wanted a proper desk mount to save up room on my desk while I set up this A6000. But there's not really that, surprisingly, I didn't see that many products like this on Amazon. And 50 bucks, it's not bad, but at the end of the day, it's just a desk clamp with a mount for a camera on top, and it costs 50 bucks. Don't get me wrong, really nice quality product. You can hear from the sound of that. It's pretty nice, pretty sturdy. It doesn't shake or anything like that. But I found this from Newer, which is a company that I do have a lot of trust on. And yeah, it costs half the price. I don't believe it can go as high. Believe it or not, this is actually the lowest height that this desk mount goes up to. And this, I believe, only goes up to like 2 feet or so. But for what I'm going to use it for, I don't even need that height. So this is perfect. It was like 25, 30 bucks. Links to everything's going to be down in the description. So basically, I got 2 of these. This one I just unboxed over there. And then obviously another one in this box right here. But now down to the main thing that I wanted to show you guys, which is in the other box. But just taking a look at this little pamphlet here, you don't really need instructions. Honestly, just screw this or widen this, adjust it to the height of your the thickness of your desk, clamp it on, and then boom, mount, whether it be a camera or a light or anything that kind of fits this thread can go up here. And now opening the other box, I'm really surprised they actually package this all in one small box. But this is the main thing I wanted to show you guys. So this is a very small light panel which you can mount to the threads at the bottom of the desk clamp, which I just showed you guys, and basically provide better lighting to your setup. Honestly, the main reason why I wanted something like this, like I said, is just to basically improve the quality of my videos and my streams. But also, it's a great alternative to the Elgato Key Light Air. I wanted those things for such a long time. Obviously, it's been really hard to get just due to COVID and everything like that and high demand. But it's also very expensive even before COVID-19. I think usually ranges between $130 to $200, I believe. So if I can find an alternative, which is basically just something that can provide light to my videos and my streams, but also I can adjust the brightness on the fly like this, or even have a fixed percentage of light, then this is such a great alternative and for a fraction of the price. With the 2 clamps and the light, which actually comes with 2 by the way, but it also does come with some different colors you can put over as a diffuser. So if you want to like switch it up and make it blue, red, green, I think those are a few options it comes with. But also another great thing is it's USB powered. All right, you don't need to plug into a socket or take up more socket outputs or ports on your power strips. But yeah. Other than that, it also does come with these little tripod mounts, which has 3 legs. I will actually open it up for you guys, even though I don't really intend on using it. I want to use the desk clamp to save up more space and not have this open on my desk and take up more space. But also, just like initial impressions, like this is pretty cheap. It's not that sturdy. It's made out of plastic. Nothing crazy. But if you didn't want to get like these desk clamps here, and you don't mind using up some more space on your desk, this would actually be a pretty solid option, not gonna lie. Other than that, oh, cool. We have some like ball mounts too, so we can even adjust the angle of these light panels. And then, oh, wow, I actually did not know this. It comes with like a selfie stick too. What the? That's actually pretty dope. I did not even realize that it came with this. So yeah, 2 of these like little selfie sticks and 2 of these tripod mounts, or 3 like tripod mounts, and also 2 of these flexible ball mounts. Alright guys, that's it for the unboxing. I'm gonna get everything set up and then show you how everything looks with the lights on my desk. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, we are back after installing these new light panels and desk clamps onto my desk. But also, I even decided to throw on some of the included color filters. We got a red one on the left, and then we got a blue filter on the right. And from the final product over on the A6000 main cam, y'all can tell it looks a lot nicer in here compared to just having my overhead studio light above me. But also, it's extremely easy to set up. It's pretty self-explanatory. Here's a close-up on what it will look like with the desk clamp. So with the desk clamp, with some Velcro straps along the rod here. I actually have it so the remote is literally right at the base of the desk clamp. So when I want to turn this little light panel on and off, I gotta just press this middle button and it's off, and then turn it back on. Also, while it's on standby and not actually on, you'll see this little LED here. Once you press that button, boom, it's back on. And also, with this little remote right here, you can even turn the light even brighter or even lower. And yeah, other than that, it's pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy to install, and honestly, pretty amazing for the price I bought this at too. Alright guys, so I haven't even shown you guys the actual price of the light panels itself on Amazon, so you're getting 2 light panels, 2 ball head mounts, 2 selfie sticks, 2 tripods, a set of diffusers, and a set for every color filter that comes with. So it's red, blue, and yellow. You can even mix and match those colors to make different color combinations as well. All of that for $44.99. That's an amazing deal. Honestly, I could not recommend that enough. But also, if you're not gonna get the Elgato multi-mount or a desk clamp, you're saving yourself quite a bit of money, because the Key Light Air is going for $177 on Amazon, and even the Elgato Key Light is actually going for $332 right now of this recording. But honestly, like I said, if you want to save some space on your desk and you prefer to have that desk clamp, this is a cheaper option compared to the Elgato Key Light. $32 compared to MSRP $50, or right now for resale or from a third-party seller, $192. I don't know about you guys. If I can get similar results to what an Elgato Key Light can provide, then I'd rather go for the cheaper alternative. By any means, these 2 lights are going to be my main source of lighting in terms of my videos or for my streams. I'm still going to have the overhead studio light. I think a good like, honestly, the more lighting the better, as long as it's not too overexposed or is properly diffused. But other than that, honestly, I'm pretty happy with my purchase. I'm not saying that these are amazing quality, but for the price, no complaint. By the way, guys, the USB cable which is connected to the light panels isn't that long. It's probably between like 6 to 8 feet long. So hopefully you do have the proper USB source to power these light panels up. According to the Amazon description, it says it'll even work with like a power bank or even your laptop. Luckily for me, I do have some power surges which have USB ports available on that. If not, even if you use an outlet with, you know, a proper power brick, that should probably work too. But overall, guys, like, this is actually a pretty solid alternative to the Elgato Key Light Air, but also the Elgato multi-mount. Like I said, no hate towards Elgato or their products. I honestly think they still have some of the top tier best products in terms of live streaming, but they are paying that hefty price tag. And if there's a way around it to even get something similar or possible similar results, but at a cheaper price, then why not get these lights and these desk clamps? And by the way, I realized that, this selfie stick is actually mainly used to even extend if you were to use this tripod base that it comes with. Like I said, this tripod is pretty flimsy, not the greatest. You can tell from the thickness, or just from the sound of it, it's pretty cheap plastic. But even if not, you do have this, selfie stick which you can use as an extender. So if you do end up getting these desk clamps and you want to extend it even more, you can even just mount this. And honestly, it's really dope that these light panels even come with a ball mount. So if you want to change the directions and adjust the angle of your light panels, that's also an option as well. But other than that, guys, if you guys did enjoy, leave a comment down below if you plan on picking these light panels up or even these desk clamps up, and hopefully improving your videos, your live streams, whatever content you're creating. Links to everything will be down in the description. Other than that, hope you guys did enjoy. Leave a video with a thumbs up, and follow me on all socials on Twitter and Instagram at MySuppressor. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.